Hi, Lory here from Mountain Mud Pottery. I just wanted to show you how I do my in-studio reclaiming clay. I have a very small space. I don't have room to collect a lot of trimmings or dry clay to reuse. So I find doing it in small batches really works well for me, and it's less intimidating and takes up way less space. So as I'm working or finish working, I collect trimmings in small yogurt containers like this. So I take the trimmings out of the wheel. And then I add water to it. I usually just use my throwing water bucket. And I add water. And then I put this aside and let this slake down. So this one is ready to be put on a plaster bat. This is a plaster bat, just made of potter's plaster. So this has been sitting on the bat for a couple of days. And I turn it over at one point, about halfway. Then I would wedge this all together. So now you can see it is just like a piece of pottery that comes out of the bag. So it's actually ready to use, but what I would do is put it in a bag for about a week and let it just sit for a while. It seems to work better if it has been in a bag for a while. And then I can do whatever with it. I actually throw with it, I make handles with it. It's just like a piece of clay out of the bag again. So then this one, as I said, is ready. So I would just take this and put it on the plaster bat. And the plaster bat takes the moisture out of the clay. So it's quite wet right now. So that will sit for a couple of days. And this is actually probably about 5 pounds of clay. So not only does it work really well for reusing it, but it's also a really big money saver because you can reuse all that clay. I hope this works for you. Stay tuned for more tips in the series.